So my name is Francine, A.K.A. Franny. A little bit about myself. First off, I am Belizean, so please kindly excuse my accent. I am trying to talk as clearly as I possibly can, but if you don't understand what I'm saying, it will be nice to comment below. On my channel, I will be showing you guys beauty, DIYs, also clothing haul. I'll also have a little family vlogging. It all depends, but I will be having a whole lot more. Yes, honey, I will be having a whole lot more. These curls, I tell you, hey. Anyways, so I love doing videos because it brings like comfort to me. So this, by me doing this, it brings comfort to me and also provide you guys a little bit of knowledge, I'm hoping. So you know, it's a lot of people out there that would like to see certain things that I put out there on my videos, so I'm trying to share my experiences with you guys and see where it goes from there. So that's what I'm doing. So just tune in, click that subscribe button so you guys could stay tuned, and also share the love, honey, share those videos, and I promise I will have you guys entertained. Hit